We are looking at how to pronounce this name. Let's break down the pronunciation. The name of an Australian professional rugby league footballer. Alamoti, Alamoti. We are looking at how to pronounce this name. Let's break down the pronunciation. The name of an Australian professional rugby league footballer. Alamoti, Alamoti. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.